Right, monos, here's a quick review after doing one of a belt sander, as you might expect, and the wood mortise over here. This is, for once, a different brand, so it's not a Delta, but as usual it comes with the standard 4-inch layers of dust on it and pigeon shit. So this is a Ferm FSM-150 metal grinder. So you have your rough one here, I don't really know the names, but Google it if you want, and you find one here. See, there's quite a bit of rust on that from these old bolts and stuff, so it's pretty standard really. I think we picked up for 50 quid, or 40 or 30, one of them, but you can get them real cheap. Some you can get for about £20, so yeah. I'll just turn it on quickly. Of course, it's always on, because we're really safe here. So, pretty good RPM, I think. I don't know, I'll just focus in that. There you go. I should have glasses on, but I'll just wing it. Here's an old screw. I'll pull on the soft one because it's only small. Fucking hell. Ideally, I should be wearing gloves, but yeah, they shouldn't really do much damage if you're quick. But focus, you piece of shit. Here's a rough one. I'll be quick on this one because it's fucking hot. Sparks. Pretty standard. You know, it grinds steel. It will take longer with hardened steel as you'd expect, but you know, it's good. We mainly use it for the knives, our knives, you know, sharpening them and sanding them down with finer grit sandpaper. There's actually a fucking groove in this disc from how much we've used on like old bolts and stuff. But it's a very handy tool. I mean, I definitely recommend buying. I don't really care about the brands, but as long as it's not Chinese. Yeah, this is Netherlands, I think, so it should be fine. I'm just trying to see out when this is done. You can tell it's safe because it's got the token pass certificate sticker. The actual dates have faded, like any other piece of machinery in here. Right then, the standard wire, if I can find it. Yep, it goes up to here. So I'll turn it off because you know what it's like around here with all this dust. But yeah, there's the Ferm FSM-150 grinder video. You can see there's a groove in it. Bloody hell. But no, these discs last virtually forever. I don't know, a replacement's like 5 quid, probably cheaper. So they're a good investment, especially if you're like into hobby machining and all that. It's good with welding, like to find down your parts before you weld it and knock off the rust like here. But yeah, here's a video. Hope you liked it. I am improving my camera skills, as you can tell. Still avoiding putting the shitty music on. And yeah, this camera's really dusty. But I hope to see you in the next video. If you want, comment. If you really want, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.